Hi everyone. I wanted to show you another way that you could do your agenda electronically instead of listing it all on paper. So all of you have access to this. It is called Google Keep. You can go to keep.google.com and it will show up. You can also add it as an extension up here. This little light bulb is the extension. So when you click on this, this will open up. So here's how you could do this. Each day, you have to keep a running record of all of the things that you are doing. So if you click on this checklist right here, it's going to create a new checklist for you. The first thing you want to do is put the day. So maybe you're doing this on Monday, August 17th. This way, I know when I look at your agenda that this is the one you're doing. So the first class that you're in is English. So label it English. Then list all of the things that you have to do in that class. So maybe you have to watch a video. Maybe you have to complete an Edpuzzle. And maybe you need to upload a picture. Those are all the things that you needed to do for English that day. So as I'm in class and I'm finishing things, maybe I watched the video and I uploaded the picture, but I didn't complete the Edpuzzle, so I'm just going to leave that there. Notice when I checked the boxes, it moved them down here. I need to see this. This is you showing me that you're completing the items on your list. So it's just going to stay there. Then maybe you go to your next class. Your next class is math. And in math class today, you're required to complete a worksheet and you have to answer a discussion. So maybe while you're in class, you finish the worksheet, but you didn't do the discussion. Then you head off to biology. And in biology, you have an Edpuzzle and you have an article to read. So maybe in biology, all you did was read that article. So here's what you have for that day so far, right? If I click close, then all I see, I'm going to pin it up here. Oops. If you go to it and click that, it pins it up at the top for you. I can see what I have left to do, and I can see what I have done. This way, when you're at home at the end of the day, well, you'll be at home when you start, but at the end of the day, you can look back and go, all right, I've got to still finish that Edpuzzle, that discussion, and that other Edpuzzle. And as you complete each assignment, you're just going to click it like this. So when I'm completely done with biology, I'll just move biology down and I'm done. Each day, you have to send me a picture of your agenda. So on Monday, which is today, you would just be sending me a picture of this. This would be all you have for Monday. Now on Tuesday, you're going to have to send me a picture of Monday and Tuesday because you're going to be finishing the day on Monday. So let's just go ahead. We're going to pretend like it's Tuesday now. Tuesday. I'm going to remember, you're going to put in the title, Tuesday, August 18th, and then you're just going to start listing your items again. Whatever it is that you have to do for each one. And you're going to list those things here, and as you complete each one, you're going to submit them. Now, remember, if you pin it, it moves it back up to the top so that they're next to each other. When you're submitting your assignments to me, when you're submitting your agendas to me, you could, if you know how to take a screenshot of your screen, you could take a screenshot of this and it has Monday and Tuesday on it. That's totally fine. Submit it to me. Notice these 3 dots down here, though, that tells me that maybe there's more. So you might have to open it and take a screenshot of each one individually so that I can see everything that you have on there, okay? Because that's important that I need to see everything that you have. So screenshot it, or you are probably familiar with that snipping tool from last year. So if you go to search on your screen and type in snipping, what happens is it brings up that snipping tool. It looks like this. You've seen this before. You click new, kind of fogs out your page, and then you just highlight what you want the picture of, and then you can save that and submit that picture to me. So that would be fine as well as a way to submit your assignment, your agenda to me. So this is one way that you can keep up with your agendas. So you can have them on there for the whole week. When you're done each night, you can check to make sure you finished everything you were supposed to. When you're 100% done with the week or a day and you've already sent it to me, you can just go here and you can just delete that note. You can also do other things, and you could color code it and stuff like that. So if that makes you feel better, then you can do that as well. It's totally up to you. But this is one way you can do your electronic agenda for me. Remember, you have to have a running list of everything that you are supposed to do, and I should see things crossed off so that I know when you have finished them. So if you're writing it in a notebook, that's totally fine. You just take a picture of that. If you're doing it on here, it's going to move it down each time you check a box. So this would be fine as well if you want an electronic way to do this.